How to thread a Bernina 1008 sewing machine. Before threading the sewing machine, be sure that the power is off. Place the thread on one of the spokes at the back of the sewing machine. Take the thread and place it behind the thread guide. Continue through the slot, being sure to pass through the thread tensioning wheel. The thread goes down and around the thread regulator and back up to the thread take-up lever. The thread slips into the slot at the top and should end up through the hole. The thread goes back down across the thread guide and behind the hook above the needle. Then thread the needle. The needle should thread from front to back. Be sure to avoid any twists or loops in the thread. If you have trouble threading the needle, clip the thread for a fresh end. After the needle is threaded, slip the thread through the slit in the presser foot so that the thread can go straight down through the foot. Now thread the bobbin. Open the door below the stitch plate. Remove the bobbin casing using the small handle. Hold your wound bobbin in your right hand. The thread should unwind, open the bobbin, and towards your fingers. Hold the thread in your third and fourth fingers. Place the bobbin into the back of the bobbin casing. Pull the thread so that it slips into the slit and back into the hole at the top of the bobbin casing. Carefully turn the bobbin casing around and place the bobbin casing into the sewing machine. The arm should be facing up and will slot into the small void in the bottom of the sewing machine. The bobbin should click into place and feel secure. Now you need to bring the bobbin thread up to the stitch plate. To do this, hold the top thread taut with your left hand. With your right hand, turn the hand crank wheel towards you until the needle goes down and comes all the way back up. The top thread should bring up a loop of bobbin thread. Using your finger, a seam ripper, pin, or closed scissors, pull the rest of the bobbin thread up. Place both threads towards the back of the sewing machine. This is the same sequence seen from the bobbin. Be sure that you always turn the hand crank towards you. The machine will not pick up the thread if you turn the wheel away from you. Close the door to the bobbin. Always check the machine settings before you begin sewing.